Now I'm sure all of you have read an animal encyclopedia. Let's flip to a random page, shall we? Such as this one about insects. Now what was the first thing you saw on this page? Not the title, not the information, but the images. But where does one get these images? Wait, isn't that simple? All you have to do is go into the wild with a camera, click a photo and come back. Simple, right? Yes. But what about animals that are extinct? Prehistoric animals, such as dinosaurs. Now there are no living dinosaur individuals today, so these are obviously just illustrations. But how do we know how dinosaurs looked? This is a good question. This is the science of Paleoart. Paleoart is art that gives a go at portraying prehistoric animals. Wait, who cares about Paleoart? There is random sketches. Thank you for that very impertinent outburst. And let me correct you by saying that Paleoart actually has an unequivocal scientific basis. So let's take a look into how paleoartists actually reconstruct dinosaurs. The first thing that we need to do is start reconstructing the skeleton, and we can do this based on the bones that we find in the field. However, most dinosaurs are only known from less than half a skeleton, so how can we reconstruct a whole skeleton? One way we can do this is through getting information from other bones in the body. For example, say you have a right leg, you can automatically fill in the left leg because you know that both of them will be identical. Another way you could do this is through looking at dinosaurs that are very closely related to the one you're studying, such as dinosaurs in the same family or genus. And you know that these two dinosaurs necessarily have the same basic body plan and same bones in them, and thus you could fill out the bones that way. The next thing that we need to do is start building the muscles of the dinosaur. However, as you may know, muscles don't fossilize at all. So how do we know what muscles dinosaurs had? The only way we can do this is through studying the muscles of extant groups of animals that are very closely related to dinosaurs. And this would naturally be the birds, because birds actually evolved from dinosaurs. However, birds have adapted to a completely different lifestyle. Birds are aerial, dinosaurs are terrestrial. Birds have feathers, dinosaurs have scales. Birds have beaks and dinosaurs have mouths with teeth in them. The next closest group of animals are the crocodilians, which consist of crocodiles, alligators, caimans and gharials. Now as crocodilians and dinosaurs are very closely related, we can expect them to have the same basic body plan. The muscles of crocodilians will correspond to the muscles of dinosaurs. However, these muscles are obviously of different proportions, so how do we solve this problem? Well, it's simple. We know that muscles attach to the skeleton at different points, and we have a basic idea of what those points are. Now identify those points, and using the fact that we discussed earlier, we can figure out the muscular structure of dinosaurs. Similarly, we can reconstruct the skin and outer covering of dinosaurs using skin impression fossils and relations with modern animals. But what color were dinosaurs? We haven't got a clue, because neither does color preserve in fossils, nor can we use crocodilians in this example. However, colors like baby pink or neon green are unrealistic. So the next time you see a dinosaur image, don't disdain it as a random sketch. Instead, think about how much research went into it. It's very interesting.